our next recipe naman, ang gagawin natin is, I'm sure mga mommies gustong-gusto nyo malaman kung ano nga naman yung pwede mong i-prepare sa umaga aside from the typical tapsilog. Why not make healthy pancakes? Okay, so ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is very simple, easy to prepare, homemade pancakes na for sure magugustuhan din ng mga anak natin. And of course, kayo rin mga momshies. Okay, first things first, ingredients muna ng ating healthy pancake. Okay, so simulan muna natin with, again, ground oats. Okay, I'm using rolled oats here na binlender ko lang ulit para mas fine yung kanyang consistency. Ingredient naman, you may want to use your favorite plant-based milk. For me, I'm using soy milk. Alright? This is an option if you want to add. You may want to add your nutritional powder. Okay? If you have your protein powder for the mommies na malakas mag-exercise, or for the kids, skim milk powder if they want. Okay? Okay, 2 eggs, pero 1 yellow and 2 whites. Okay, so additional, you want to put in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon if you like. So let's get started na. Ang first na gagawin natin is to just combine all of the dry ingredients, and then later on, we're gonna combine the wet ingredients naman. So sige, simulan na natin. So unahin muna natin yung oats na ginrind natin again. Ilagay ko na lahat ng oats. After that naman, what we're going to do is pour in your nutritional powder or your protein powder, or for the kids, again, skim milk powder is good. So ilagay mo lang siya. You can also combine, another dry ingredient is you can also combine your baking powder, nutmeg or cinnamon if you want, and lastly, yung pinch of salt. So ilagay mo na siya lahat. Once everything is done, mix them all together to make sure that the mixture is evenly distributed to each other. Alright. I think this is ready. Ngayon naman, combine the wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. So, you start off first with the egg. I'm using here 2 large eggs, but it's only 2 whites and 1 yellow. So, make a well and slowly pour the eggs into the dry ingredient mix. Okay, lalagyan na natin siya. After placing the egg, haluin mo muna ulit. Once the egg has completely covered the dry ingredients kanina, you can slowly start to pour in your milk of choice. For me, I'm using here soy milk. Okay, but you can also use your low-fat milk or your non-fat milk. So, lagyan na natin siya. Again, what you want is to slowly pour in the liquid kasi you don't want naman a super runny pancake, okay? You have to have the right consistency when you have a pancake. Okay, lagyan na natin. Our pancake batter is ready. So, ito yung kanyang consistency. Ayan, kita mo naman. So, what you can do is, kung paano ka na talaga nagluluto ng pancake at home. So, maglalagay ka na ng konting butter, or perhaps konting sunflower oil, or even yung oil. Okay, and then slowly cook it lang on a flat pan. Even if you have a pancake griddle, that's also good. Okay. So, basta siguraduhin mo lang na low heat lang. And when the bubbles are there already, you just simply flip the pancake over and you're good to go. So, I think itong batch na to ay ready na rin. So, let's get going. Luto na tayo. Super yummy and super healthy na nagawa natin pancakes ngayon. Grabe. So actually, the ingredients of the recipe that we did kanina would actually yield you around mga 3 to 4 pieces of pancakes. Totally may enjoy yan ng mga kids. Super healthy niya. Kahit ako mismo, mag-enjoy ako dito sa pancakes na to, and I'm so excited to dig in. Actually, I placed also some toppings such as a Greek yogurt or your favorite flavored yogurt. You can also add in your berries, your grapes. The possibilities are really endless. So, allow me to take a bite. I'm super excited for this. It's gonna be definitely super yummy. Look at that, guys. Tignan mo naman. Oh my gosh. This is heaven in a fork. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It's so good. I love it. Super healthy, protein pack, sweet, but sakto lang siya. I encourage you to try this one at home as well.